Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a design team project video. Let me just move this up. I got my dies from Andy's store and they're so cute. Okay, so first let me show you this one. So this is what it looks like. It's like those vanity mirrors. So you get the layering, you get the back piece. I'm sure you can make this a shaker if you like. I just did this right here. It's actually a planner die, but I covered the hose. So, or maybe like a journal. You could maybe add it into like a journal. Anyway, I just did this real quick. I'm not sure if I'm going to turn it into a card or not, but I thought it came out so cute. It's a really nice shape with little hearts. Look how cute. And it's actually a nice size too. So it is 5¼ by 5½. So we got that one there. Came out so cute. So we got that there. Then we got this one here. And you get this piece that you have to cut out twice. And these are the little rings for decoration. And this you can use, I think, the way Nicole did it, she put like little bonbons. Was it those Ferrero Rocher candies? Which is perfect for that. I didn't have any chocolates with me. So what I did was I turned mine into a little package to send beads. Isn't it cute? So I had 3 little individual bags. I added the beads in the bag and then I didn't decorate the back. And then look how cute. So I definitely love this one. You see you got the little handle here. This one's really, really cute. So we got that. Then my favorite. Oh my God. Okay, so we got this one here and it's a nice size tag. But it's a tag with like a pocket so you could put goodies. Again, you could put chocolate, you could put whatever you want. I didn't have any chocolate, so I did mine with pom-poms. Isn't this cute? Like, love, love, love this die. Okay, so this one is 6¼ by 4. So it's a really nice size. So I did the acetate like pouch. But you don't need acetate. You could just put regular paper, cardstock or whatever. I did these cute little pom-poms. And then this is the fun part. When the person gets it, they rip these things out. And then you can take the goodies out. Isn't it cute? I love this one. Look how cute. So I used the Maggie Holmes paper collection. I thought it came out really cute. So those are my 3 that I've made so far. But since I'm here, I'm going to show you the rest. I have not created anything for these yet. So I'll be back with some project share. We have this really cute like doily style. And it says the word happy. We have this like surfboard. Really cute for boy projects. This one here, it's like a little dome box. So I'll make that one. We have a little memory decks card. So cute. And another one of the planner journal ones. Look how cute. So you see? And then it has like the little bows, the little flowers. How freaking cute. And then the last one that I received was this one here. And this opens up and it's like the slot here where you could put a credit card. A gift card. So it's like a gift card holder. When you open it, the card is just right there. So I'll be back. I'll make some projects for these and show you what I did. Just wanted to come and show you these 3 that I've made so far. I'll put all the links in the description bar and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.